Hey, hello friends, Chris is welcome back to the video. This is an Ingram reaction. This is called Boeing evicts Ingram for prank. Okay, let's check it out. Megan, Grandpa is getting evicted.
You're talking about me living in the street? I don't want to live in no goddamn street! I decided to take it a step further and bring Boeing back into Grandpa's life.
Why?
Sorry, Dad. Things are getting real rough here. I'm getting evicted.
He's gonna evict you.
You got food you need, you don't need what's not. You tore up my tree or two. Hey! Look at the shit. You know your damn daddy is. Yeah, I do. We're gonna have 2 turkeys. Jimmy's is gonna be juicy, yours is gonna be dry. And you're gonna be dry, and I'll cook it that day. Will you? Never done that before. Yeah, what's the first time of everything, ain't there?
Wow.
No!
Oh my god, not this person, man. She is so fucking annoying, dude. And Grandpa, his voice and his yelling and his cussing is what makes me Grandpa. Hers is just fucking stupid and annoying. Copy that, Boeing. Oh.
Oh, shut up. Wait, what's happening right now? Are we getting evicted? Yeah. Oh, what the heck?
Because of him.
He's not damn into it. Yeah, because you do. Look.
He's tore it up.
They buy goddamn phone.
Oh my god. I thought you had her too.
Okay, it says it's turning the trailer park into a snack room for Boeing. What? So they turned the last trailer park into a parking lot, and they're turning this one into a snack room.
Ooh, he put his hands on his pig.
Oh, good. Give a goddamn motor convoy. Okay. Give a goddamn motor convoy.
I'm calling Boeing, Megan. I'm calling Boeing.
Better fix it. Oh, don't get mad. You got here. Goddamn mouth for one goddamn job for your motherfucking life.
Oh, shut up.
Going to do it to me again. No, you're going to do it to me again, Tina. We don't care what they do to you. We don't care. Hey, I've got both. You've got to keep on people so we can get out here. Yes, this is Boy, right? Listen, Boy, I live in my trailer is sold. I got 3 days to get the fuck out. Is that true? What? I got your goddamn snap on me! You understand me? No, shut up! Let me tell you one thing, bitch. You're my motherfucker, homeboy. You took my homeboy one goddamn gun. I dare you to gun. Bring your goddamn gun to my house. I will burn your goddamn thunder down. I will blow your shit. You hear me, lady? You're taking my home away. Let me tell you what I know that
You hear that? You heard that, Megan? You hearing this, Megan? I know you're hearing it. Ooh. Megan, you do not talk like that. Only Grandpa talks like that. Good.
Please don't do that. Okay, so in other words, I can't threaten you, and I can't say anything bad about your company. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Fuck you. Fuck boy. Get in the car. I don't give a goddamn. Let the goddamn. I'm so sorry, man. Could you? I ain't sorry, you bitch. I ain't sorry with the goddamn. I'm heading out, man. Bring your legal out here. Bring your legal out to my house. Come on, bitch. Come on. Fuck boy. Fuck you boys. Fuck you boys. Fuck you boys.
Oh my god.
The problem is, everyone else knows that I have an infrared. We gotta get him out of here tonight. No. I ain't talking about that. They're gonna want you dead, dude. Oh shit. I go, what am I gonna do?
Yeah.
You need something to protect yourself with. Keep a knife with you. Keep it in your pocket at all times.
Where's Zay?
You're right. I'm a more man. I just don't know. I don't know what to do! God damn it, I don't know what to do! Okay, Dad, figure. Did I go stay with y'all? I got nowhere to go.
No.
What do you mean, no? Dad, where Bridget says go.
Where's Bridget all this fucking
I'm
time?
begging, I'm pleading.
No, get
Do you want to get on my hands and knees and beg you?
It's expensive to stay though.
Tina, you can stay with us if you need to. Hurry, she did, I did it! Because of this right here!
She would destroy our shit.
She didn't destroy our tree the other day.
Yeah.
You're more welcome to stay as long as you need to, Tina.
Oh wow.
Right on you, Daddy! You son of a bitch! Well, good, you gotta leave. I didn't want to get rid of you with three. Yeah! You got rid of everybody! You were the whole damn trailer park! Then I succeeded, I got rid of you! I'm going with the family, though. Tell me. You're gonna be homeless.
Yeah, there's a spare room for you.
Is it that many words for me?
Oh my god, he's crying. Michael, just call off the fucking prank, man.
Dad! Jesus Christ. Dad, it's a joke! Dad, it's a joke! I'm not wrong! Dad!
It was a prank.
It's pretty good, Mama.
It
Stop
was a prank.
it! Dad!
You should tell me later. Where's that folder? It was a prank.
Yes, it was a prank, dude!
Bonnie bought this place.
You did
No. Now he's gonna beat your ass, Michael. Better fucking run, man.
I'm sorry! I'm gonna get one attack. I found the old one! Dad! Stop it! Never get you one,
Oh man. Another great video from Angry Grandpa, man. Rest in peace. I have 2 or 3 more to react to, but then I might be done because I'm very tired. And Winky here. He wants out, so I'm gonna open the door for him. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace out. Say hey. Say hi. Okay, I'll put you down. But yeah, with that said, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace out. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.